Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are getting the trading disabled error in MetaTrader 5, today I will show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application and ensure you are fully logged into your trading account. Once your platform is open, look at the top menu bar. Click on Tools. In the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down and click on Options. A new settings window will pop up on your screen. Look at the tabs across the top of this window and select the Trade tab. In this section, find the option labeled One-Click Trading. Check the box right next to it. When you do this, a disclaimer window will appear. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the agreement box. Then click OK. Finally, click OK one more time at the bottom of the main options window to apply and save your settings. Your trading is now fully enabled and you can resume opening and closing your positions without any issues. If this quick fix helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more direct, easy to follow tutorials. See you in the next one.